Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Who Money here with another video for you guys today. Today we are going to be going over Sprt.com, SPRT, and I have been absolutely excited for the past hour just preparing this video, waiting to make this video because this stock is just going absolutely parabolic, and we've been talking about this one since the start. And before we get into this video, I just wanted to ask you guys a quick question. And the lighting, I am in a new setup. Obviously this is not the normal studio that I record from, and I just want you guys to leave a comment. Let me know if you guys think this lighting is decent, if I need to change up the lighting. And yeah, I don't really like it personally. I'm gonna have to work on it. Definitely don't like it as much as my old studio, but we're gonna have to make do for now. Anyways, guys, Sprt.com going absolutely crazy, and if I've made you guys money with this one, or you just enjoy the content here on this channel, I kindly ask that you guys leave that thumbs up on the video, as it really helps me out with the algorithm here on YouTube, and it helps get Sprt more noticed. So if you want Sprt to actually get more exposure on the YouTube platform, liking the video is the perfect thing that you guys can do. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so here's the first time we actually talked about Sprt.com on July 7th, 2021, and Sprt was going for $4.32 per share. Then I made my first solo Sprt.com video right here when it was at $8.10 per share on August 9th, and then we made another one on August 13th. It was again at $8.81. Then we made another one yesterday when it was at $10.40. Now, today we are at a whopping $13.95. It was at over $14 earlier, hitting a top of $14.50 per share. So this one has gone absolutely parabolic. If you saw my video yesterday and you bought in, you made some money. Again, very risky. I'm not recommending that you make any of these investments that I talk about on this channel, because honestly, I do tend to talk about very risky investments where you're probably going to lose some money. But a lot of people have high conviction for Sprt.com, and we have it on our Discord channel as well, so you should definitely join that. The link is below. It's the first link below in the description. We talk about Sprt.com almost every day now because this stock is absolutely crazy. But let's just get right into the Ortex data on this stock. So as you guys can see, here we have the coveted Ortex data, and we're at almost 71% short interest, so we're up about 1% from yesterday, actually 1.97% from yesterday. Cost to borrow at an insanely high 243%. I would never short a stock with this high of a borrow rate. It just doesn't make any sense. Utilization is definitely down, sitting at 94.98%. We're gonna have to see how this stuff changes, because like I said, utilization going down is definitely a signal for a short squeeze, as well as the average age on loan going down, because that means that shorts are covered. If not all the shares are being utilized, then that means there's more shares to be available to be shorted, which means there's a short squeeze going on, etc. The shares on loan is about 5.66 million shares, and the estimated short interest is about 6.6 million shares, which means about 100 million shares are being shorted twice or double shorted, and that's probably why there's such a high cost to borrow on this stock. So what I thought was pretty interesting was that the average age on loan went from 52 days on average up to 55 days as of yesterday, which likely means that most people who are shorting this stock, the new people, are getting squeezed out, but the older people that shorted this stock a while ago are paying that cost to borrow, hoping that this thing sinks. The hedge funds are fighting back on this stock, and it's pretty obvious with this one, but there's still definitely room for them to get squeezed out. We're seeing the price action of this stock, we're seeing the cost to borrow, and it's just absolutely ridiculous. And then again, guys, we have the failure to delivers here on the screen right now. It's these yellow bars, the bar graph right here on the chart. And we don't have the data for the month of August as of yet, but you guys can see each time that the price action went up a lot, there was more failure to delivers, and this float isn't even that high, and there's almost 1 million failure to delivers at the end of July. I'm thinking it is probably higher now that we're seeing this much higher, and we've seen short interest go up as well. So as soon as we saw that original spike here in short interest, that's when failure to delivers went up. Over here again on the left hand side, you can see that failure to delivers went up as an estimated short interest. A free float went up. Now we're seeing the same thing happen in August. We just don't have the new failure to deliver numbers, but that is going up as well. So there's most likely tons of failure to delivers in the month of August, which means that there has to be shares bought back and delivered within 30 days, or else you pay a huge fine to the SEC. This huge amount of failure to delivers, and I believe there is also huge amounts, even though we don't have the data right now, is also proof of naked shorting, and that's not stopping this stock price from going absolutely parabolic. On top of all this, we got 3 short squeeze signals triggered today on top of the other short squeeze signals for this stock. So now there's a total of 6 short squeeze or text signals for Sprt.com, and I'm going to be going over multiple different price targets, and they are actually a lot higher than what the share price is at right now. They're also telling you to hold this for a recommended holding period of 21 or 10 days. So Ortex definitely believes there's more juice left in the tank on this stock, even though it is highly risky. We've got Will Mead tweeting this stock non-stop. He's got the Ronaldo celebration. He talked about BBIG, which is definitely another stock that has caught my attention, but that's for another video. Then we have short squeeze. There is the short squeeze. He called the short squeeze. He got the $15 trading target, so we actually did hit that today, or $14.50, but he is calling that the short squeeze has actually happened. He's calling today as a short squeeze. Another thing I wanted to talk about was Ihor from S3 Partners. He reported on this as of about 4 days ago. Now this was when support was trading at just above $8 per share, and shorts were down $32 million in 2021 mark-to-market losses at that point. Just imagine how much they're down right now with this stock trading at around $14 per share. It's a lot. This article from Seeking Alpha on August 9th, 2021 had a price target of $36 per share for this short squeeze as the Bitcoin merger finalized. And now there's another Seeking Alpha article saying that the short squeeze potential in Sprt.com is increasing every day. And now they're signaling a share price to $45 per share, which would be a 3x on your money from the current share price. There was also a bunch of unusual options activity as of today, including $614,000 worth of in-the-money call options with a 5.5 strike price expiring on September 17th, 2021. There's also been other tons of bullish call options, as well as some bearish, only 3 bearish and the rest were bullish. However, what definitely takes the cake is this $614,000 worth of bullish in-the-money call options, which was about an hour ago. They actually bought this on the ask when the stock was $11.72. So I think that might have been an algorithmic whale that knew that this had the momentum to push it to $14 per share. Now guys, keep in mind that just because they bought $614,000 worth of bullish call options doesn't mean they haven't sold it. They could have been in and out of this trade. So with that being said, be very careful speculating on some of this unusual call options activity, because a lot of the time they don't really hold it for too long. Looking at the chart right here, you can see we have completely broken out of the cup and handle pattern, and you see this box right here. This was from yesterday's video, so we saw this box. There was absolutely zero price action, and now we have absolutely blown through that box. Now another thing to take into consideration is that volume is steadily increasing. So the other days when we were rallying, the volume wasn't really this high, and now we're having some nice volume each and every single day. So it's definitely picking up on the stock, but there is still an overshot RSI, an overshot MACD, and those are definitely what the risks are with investing in this stock. And now just moving the box to where it deserves to be now, there's absolutely no price action almost, just the wick of today's candle where shorts could have made money, and they're paying that insane borrow rate of 243%. So guys, I am thinking that this thing does have more room to run, especially as shorts continue to pay that borrow rate. And there's also multiple price targets of up to $36 to $45 per share. But keep in mind, Will Mead's price target was $15 a share, which was almost hit as of today. All in all, this is absolutely insane what has been going on with Sprt.com, and I am very honored to have been following this one and been reporting on this one, and I hope that some of you guys have made money on this stock. Now remember, if you guys did get in at around $8 per share, which is when I talked about it mostly, then you can always take profits. You are up a very good amount, and if you've made a lot of money on it, definitely take some off the table. It doesn't hurt. Just because there are price targets of up to $36 to $45 per share does not mean that this stock will hit that price target. Yes, it has gone parabolic. Yes, it can continue to go parabolic, but there is no insurance that this thing will continue to go up. So it's never a bad idea to take some profits off the table and reward yourself for making a good trade. That being said, I'm excited to continue to report on this one and expect more videos on Sprt.com. Subscribe to the channel for more and like the video, guys. If you made it to this point, definitely like the video. It helps me out greatly. And if you guys wanted up to $70 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least $1, the link's below in the description or in the pinned comment section to sign up for Public.com. Public.com is an amazing stock brokerage. It's like Robinhood on your phone. Very easy to use, nice charts. Very, very simple. And you want to get the best fill when you make an order, definitely check out Public. Robinhood's going to scam you. Public won't. It's pretty much as simple as that. Get your $70 down below. Guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and that's about it. Peace.